The Conference of the Parties, commonly referred to as COP, is an annual gathering that brings together nations from around the world to address one of the most pressing challenges of our time, and that is climate change. COP serves as the supreme decision-making body of the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, where countries come together to negotiate and implement global climate agreements. It provides a platform for governments, international organizations, and civil society groups to discuss, collaborate, and take action to combat climate change. Since its inception, COP has played a crucial role in shaping global climate policy and mobilizing collective efforts to protect our planet for future generations. The recent COP28 UN Climate Change Conference in Dubai was the biggest of its kind with over 85,000 participants. COP28 was particularly momentous as it marked the conclusion of the first global stocktake of the world's efforts to address climate change under the Paris Agreement. Having shown that progress was too slow across all areas of climate action, from reducing greenhouse gas emissions to getting the financial and technological support to vulnerable nations, countries responded with a decision on how to accelerate action across all areas by 2030. This includes a call on governments to speed up the transition away from fossil fuels to renewables such as wind and solar power in their next round of climate commitments. There are many key takeaways from this conference. The commitments made at COP28 underscored a pivotal shift towards prioritizing human well-being and livelihood. This includes new finance and policy initiatives aimed at food, water security, health, and sustainable agriculture. It recognized the central role of technology and innovation in climate action, with sessions focused on climate solutions powered by artificial intelligence and a special emphasis on sustainable space operations to aid climate monitoring. There was a marked increase in global commitment to nature conservation, with significant financial backing for preserving biodiversity and supporting the livelihoods of locals and indigenous communities, including a landmark $1 trillion commitment to Amazon rainforest preservation. Additionally, the Loss and Damage Fund by developed countries that was put forward in COP27 was approved this year, which aims at mitigating the loss caused by climate disasters in developing countries. This fund was also advocated by Pakistan in COP27. COP28 additionally assessed each state's progress towards reducing emissions, focusing on the Paris Agreement's goal of limiting global temperature rise to 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. Adhering to the Paris Agreement is deemed crucial for countries to develop updated climate plans, with the next global assessment planned for COP33 in 2028. The term fossil fuels was used for the first time in COP decision text. The decision text mentioned the goal to achieve net zero emissions by 2050 by transitioning away from fossil fuels, which are responsible for nearly 90% of global carbon dioxide emissions. It included a significant focus on reducing methane and other non-carbon dioxide emissions and fostering a just and equitable shift away from coal and other high-emitting energy sources.